Yo, what's up, YouTube? Long time overdue. I already dropped a video, the breakdown video. If you haven't watched it yet, go watch it. I'm gonna be dropping those every single time I take a trade. I will be dropping it. I usually drop it on my Discord, but I will be dropping it on YouTube. Did I say dropping it in it? I don't know. But anyways, just want to make this video. You know, right now it's, what time is it? 1 a.m. So it's in my prime hours right now. I usually trade around this time. I'm actually going to trade right now on GJ. I am currently buying. Very risky play. I did not give it to the Discord. I gave it to him first, but I ended up telling him not to take it. But I took it because I'm a risk taker. And honestly, I just don't want to hear people's mouths no more. Not no more, but like, there's always that one person like, damn, I took this trade. I shouldn't have taken it. I don't know what. Like, I thought you win all the time, Alec. I thought you win every single trade. Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Nah. Anyways, but I'm gonna be dropping frequently, man. Breakdown videos. I'm gonna start doing vlogs too. I'm gonna start buying random shit. I'm taking that way to doing collabs with students or other people who do other shit like sports betting, insurance, credit, shit like that. You know, I'm gonna be collabing with people because, you know, I got a decent network for 100%. I do, in different cities too. So I'm gonna be flying out to places just to do the shit. All right. Yeah. So I will be posting frequently, trading content, other content, and honestly, it's gonna be a hobby. Just not really just to get paid off YouTube. Because honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't even know how to. But I don't know. I just find it dope, just kind of recording your whole life, right? I'm not nowhere where I want to be right now. Do I know how to make money? Yes. Do I know how to keep it? Yes. Now it's time for me to scale, right? So now I'm scaling. I want y'all to see every step, the good, the bad, the weird, whatever it is. I want y'all to see it. So I will be up tomorrow morning. Give me a coffee, and, you know, make another video for y'all. All right. Let's see if we hit this trade. Oh, and make sure y'all subscribe. All right. I don't want no hating ass motherfuckers on here, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe and press that bell button, man. I might just even do a podcast too. I don't know. I'm over here going to charge the car, bro. So get up with y'all tomorrow. Yo, what's up? Y'all doing something a little different today. Today, you see, the sun is out. It's no longer nighttime, right? You know, I just kind of wanted to get on here because I haven't made a video like this in a minute. Make sure my car don't sound weird. But you know, I've had a lot of questions about, and believe it or not, when I say I have a lot of questions, I do get a lot of questions about this. A part of my community, a part of, you know, just people, my followers. People ask me, besides like the technical part and like the whole trading part, what else you think helps you with just, you know, staying consistent with anything you do? And now, honestly, it was probably the best question I had in the last like 2 months, probably even longer than that, the whole year maybe. Um, but I definitely say, when I moved to Houston, I lived out there for like about a year, and I was doing okay, but I wasn't. That's when I first quit my job. I quit my job cold turkey, and then like within a month moved to Houston. I had a lot of money saved up. You know, me and my moms went out there, and it was I liked it. Me personally, I liked it. Oh shit, I personally liked it, but I loved it actually. I had my first Airbnb out there. A great place. I pretty much did all that myself. I didn't have no help with that at all. But I think the best thing that helped me with that, and just even after that, when I came back to Chicago, was definitely taking accountability. Um, that's definitely been the biggest game changer, I'd say, that it can help anybody in any type of industry, right? Trucking, fucking e-com, trading, even working a 9 to 5 job. When I started taking accountability for everything I did, even if it really honestly wasn't my fault, that's when things started like changing a little bit, just my mindset wise, right? With trading, you know, you can't control everything in trading. And when I started taking accountability, like, oh, I shouldn't have taken that trade, or I should have waited, or I shouldn't have overtraded, right? With Airbnb, I took too long. I took a whole month to set it up myself. I could have been making money like that, and it was decent season. It was during rodeo season. Rodeo season is busting, dude. Um, but I could have hired somebody to do it for me. I didn't want to do this. I wanted to save money, right? Um, I started taking accountability, and I seen a lot of differences in like how I started doing things. I started hiring people for stuff I should have hired people for, right? I started waiting for my trades to play out. I started waiting for uh, my setups to come, right? So I definitely say that's definitely been the biggest game changer. I'd say that's not technical and it's not part of the actual trading. It's just more emotion wise, right? Uh, but yeah, that's why I kind of share that with y'all because that's something that could change your guys' life. So I appreciate y'all every single time I hop on a call with y'all, even if you don't pay me for nothing. I kind of just want to help people make an extra income. It's not even like It's not even you don't have to make this a full time income. I know people that do this on the side, make 2, 3 extra grand a week on the side, and they make another 4 or 5 grand from their job. So it's like that is game changer. You can use that money, every money you make from trading, you could use for anything else. Go party with it. Go buy your mom something. Go buy yourself something. Go invest it. Definitely go invest it. I definitely say that. This sun is really pissing me the fuck off. I'm not gonna lie to you. Holy chilequiles. What the fuck? But yeah, I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. It's Saturday today. I am probably gonna get fucking drunk tonight. No, I'm kidding. I'm not. Maybe I am. I don't know. But stay safe. It's getting nice out in Chicago. Uh, Stay tuned for this next week.